Once upon a time, there was a yellow platypus in the lands of the home. One day, a dragon flew above him, leaving him in shock. What could that be? The dragon went down and caused chaos around the city. The dragon hit the platypus so hard it flew. But the platypus won't give up. It attacked non-stop, though it did not do any damage. But then, pow! The platypus died due to damage. While okay, thank you for watching. Thank you. It's all 1 minute we need. Thank you.